tuwing nag-aluhan,
Wow!
tuwing naghahating gabi, pag imposible nakakatawa, di na madapuan na.
Yay! Thank you!
Yun yung maganda sa Gen Z, no? Kahit yung Gen X yung songs, alam nila, kasi digital generation nila, kumita na sa Spotify, sa iTunes.
I was about to comment, hindi yun yung ine-expect kong kakantahin ng mga Gen Z, ah. Nakaka-proud, alam nila ang Inets at Astor Jeremiah.
Pero nag-reklamo si Ralph kasi bakit hindi ko siya na.
Ay, naku! Sorry na, hindi kita na-suggest. Oo, mahal.
Gusto nga nung palagi.
Palagi? O yan, bagong-bago.
Ayan.
Gano'n na lang. Ano yun? Hanggang kailan?
Hindi ako ready, wait lang. Labis na naiinip mo sa bawat sandali. Ano man akong magawa.
Direct, thank you for suggesting that. Ayan ay mag-sample. May pang mall show ka na, Direk. Oo.
Oo naman, naghintay lang kami ng malls.
Shoutout po sa mga malls. Pero ito, shoutout na rin natin ang ating mga media friends na excited na kayo makausap. Okay, let's start with our first question coming from Nika Savio of Push.
Hi, hello po. Congratulations for winning the award from Content Asia. At Directed, pwede niyo po bang ikwento sa amin your initial reaction? We saw a clip on the video you were doing like parang yay! Like that. Kamusta po? Kayo po ina-expect nyo na you will be bringing home the recognition for Zoomers?
Ano ba yun? Hoping for the best but expecting the worst. May ano ba? Pero, but really, wala kaming expectations because sa akala namin small show lang kami. And then, syempre, Asia na yan eh. And then I was there, not even to be part of the award show. May parang panel talk about the rise of dating shows sa Philippines. So I was representing Sparks Camp. Pero nung nalaman nilang part ko ng Zoomers, sige, attend ko na rin ang awards. Okay, go! So pagdating doon, nung nakita ko yung nominees, sinabi ko sa kanila, ayaw na maniwala sa akin. Nung nakita ko talaga yung set of nominees, alam ko ng Zoomers. Kasi nung nakita ko yung... Yun talaga. So medyo yun yung... Kasi, to be fair, yung ibang shows naman natalo, malalaman mo naman talaga eh pag napanood mo na yung ibang nominees. So yung sa Zoomers parang may edge.
Nagkakutob na si Direk. Nagkakutob na siya.
With this recognition po ba, is there any chance na matutuloy yung kwento ng barkadahan, ng Zoomers barkadahan? And if given a chance, ano po kayo mangyayari sa kanila? Kahit maliit lang na sneak peek.
If given a chance, of course, we'd like a season 3, but you know what? Zoomers was conceptualized to launch these stars from Star Magic. And yun naman yung parang hope namin sa kanila that this will jumpstart their careers. Like ngayon, I'm really proud na meron sila mga teleserye, nasa ASAP ulit si Luke, may movie sina Krisa at si Harvey, mas madami yung mga fan base ni Crystal sa social media. So kumbaga, hopefully this will jumpstart into them having many projects and many roles. But kung meron season 3, I think marami kaming mga iniwang cliffhanger sa season 2 eh. And yung cliffhanger nila of course is merong naka-infiltrate sa barkadahan nila na hindi naman pala totoong kaibigan. And so because of it, I'm sure matetest yung mga love relationships ng Chris V because at the end of the series, nagkaroon sila ng definition, nag-DTR sila. And then yun, so parang feeling ko testing of friendship, especially since college na sila if ever magkakaroon ng third season. So kung ngayon, solid tayo because we're physically together, we're in senior high school, what will happen pag college at kanya-kanya na tayo ng buhay? So yun. Kasi yun, that's also relatable kasi gano'n naman talaga yung mga high school classes na to, dahil yung high school, college, iba-iba na yung buhay mo.
Thank you, Direk Ted. And for the cast naman po, ayun nasabi na ni Direk na some of you guys have your own shows, upcoming shows, and then yung iba sa inyo na feature na High Street, Pamilya Sagrado. Ano yung reaction niyo guys? Nararamdaman nyo? Kasi ito na nagsisimula na you guys are creating your own name, pinapakita nyo kung gaano kayo nag-excel every project nyo. Everyone.
Ako po, I can't speak on behalf of the cast, but for me personally, kasi this is something I've been waiting for so long, so long na. And until now, I mean, it's still very overwhelming para sa akin na nakakuha ko ng 3 shows in 1 year. I'm very honored tsaka overwhelmed and very thankful for that. I don't think I say that enough to everyone around me, that I really am thankful. And I'm also very proud of everyone here in this cast. Kasi yun nga, na-launch na po kami. Nagawa yung, the goal of Zoomers actually happened, na-launch kami na. I'm so very proud of everyone. Wala, I don't know, for me personally, it's still very overwhelming. Sometimes it's really scary for me getting all this sort of, I guess, attention that I'm not used to. But I'm still very thankful for the opportunities that have come through this.
Okay, kahit na ano kasi di ba parang na-introduce kayo dito, pero going bulilit pa na si Harvey. So talagang he's been waiting for this for a long time. Oo. Who else would like to answer? Yes.
Parang at the time po na nabigay sa akin yung Zoomers, very, very unexpected kasi siya eh. Kasi nung time na, yun nga, first day of audition nila, wala talaga po ako dapat doon. Parang sumunod lang talaga ako, kami ni Lo, di ba? And then, nagulat na lang ako na nakuha pa lang for Zoomers. So, I was super, super happy na Zoomers yung parang I'd say comeback project ko kasi after po ng kadena dito and easy tour, na-stop ako. That's why I focused on social media. Parang yun yung ginagawa ko, lagi akong vlog, ganyan, TikToks and everything. Tapos, Zoomers yung nagpabalik talaga sa akin sa acting, which is, I wouldn't have done it in any other way. Kasi sobrang malapit talaga po yung Zoomers sa puso ko. Bilang ayun nga, si Direk Chad, Direk Ted, and Direk Lauren po yung behind it. And yun nga, yung mga cast na to, sobrang napalapit rin po sila sa akin. And ang saya lang na parang Zoomers is daming nakaka-relate na Gen Z, and then youth-oriented show siya. Kasi in a way, hindi lang sa napapakita namin sa kanila kung paano yung mga Gen Z people, pero kami rin, natututunan namin na ganito pala tayo. So lalo po kami nagkakaintindihan behind the camera. So ayun po, super happy.
Galing. Pati kayo, marami rin kayo natutuhan.
Yes.
Sa sarili niyo. Okay.
Last na lang po,
Yes.
for Ralph and Harvey, nag-iwan kayo ng kakaibang character sa High Street, kinainisan, mostly. Kasi di ba for Roxy and then kay Sky, kamusta, anong nararamdaman nyo? Kasi you did a really, really great job on portraying that role.
Thank you so much. Tapos yung naramdaman ko siguro, grabe iba talaga yung character ko sa Zoomers pati sa High Street eh. Actually, nung una, medyo similar pa kasi good guy, mabait na boyfriend, mabait na doktor, and all that. Tapos biglang may shift, biglang naging kontrabida na, biglang naging toxic, naging manipulative. So it was a good challenge for me, actually, na to be able to play against type. Tulad ng sabi ni Direk kanina, yung character kasi namin sa Zoomers. Very similar to our personalities. So it was fun to explore kung anong atake gagawin ko sa eksena to, kung paano aawayin si Archie, yung mga ganun ba. So it was fun, lalo na unang teleserye ko yun. I'm very good.
For me naman, it was a lot of fun being able to play a character na parang 2 sides of the same coin. Wesley is a very complex character where he has this compulsion to be obsessed with something talaga. And when the events of High Street started with Sky, kumbaga parang I guess subconsciously or consciously, yun yung pinili ng subject for his obsession. Pero at the same time, it's also because, you know, yung nangyari sa dad niya, he was just following his mom's orders, ganun. So, I love the character of Wesley kasi you can't really tell if he's a good guy or a bad guy. And it was just so fun for me as an actor being able to play that sort of dark, twisted, weird na character na, I don't know, it was very fun for me to play coming from Jinx, who was so hopeful, and hopeful and parang full of energy, full of life, to getting to play Wesley, who's so dark and so, I guess, morbid and twisted in a way. So it was very fun. I'm very honored to have been part of that world of High Street and Sierra.
Thank you!